Hello guys, welcome back to the video. So many of you guys were asking when is DJI releasing SDK for iOS device supporting DJI Mini 2. So here DJI has released SDK for iOS device. So now Litchi and Rainbow application have started supporting Mini 2 on iOS device. So in this video we'll be testing Litchi on iOS device with DJI Mini 2. So without wasting much of time, let's really get into the video guys.
So guys, here I'm using a paid version of Litchi app, where once you connect your drone to your Litchi application, this is what the interface you get. Firstly guys, at the right bottom corner we get a map view where we can view the satellite map. This app also has the information of airports around you. So just above the map we get a small icon of settings where we can change the exposure settings. Here we can set it on manual as well as the auto. In manual we get a capability of changing ISO, shutter speed, EV. We also get a feature of enabling histogram. And in the photo settings we can change the capture mode as well as the photo size. And in the video settings we get to change the capture mode as well as the video size. Here we get in video size around 4K 30 fps, 24 fps, 25 fps and 2.7K 24, 25, 60 fps. And this goes on same as DJI Fly app. The additional feature that we get when compared to DJI Fly app is the styling setting. So in styling setting you can change the sharpness, contrast and saturation of the image as well as the video. So apart from that, everything is same as DJI Fly app. So when we compare Litchi application on Android and iOS, there is some sort of a difference that I will tell you in the between of the video, so watch it till the end.
Recording started.
Above the record button, we get a small toggle button to switch between photos and videos. So on the screen, you can see that a small share icon is present. When you click on that, you will be able to see that you can go live on Facebook, and you can also use this RTMP feed directly from the drone and create a live video on YouTube as well as Instagram and any social media. Well, this feature is also available in DJI Fly app, and I have made a dedicated video on this, so I'll be mentioning the link in the I button. You can check out. So guys, when we click on the FPV that is present on the left corner, so we get to access the extra features that are present in the Litchi application. Those are waypoint, follow, orbit, pano, focus and tracking. So with these extra features provided by the Litchi application, we can really get a crazy shots out of this. So from these extra features, my favorite one is tracking and follow me. So with this, I will be able to shoot my own content without anyone's help. Apart from this, when we visit settings, we get a parameter to change the max altitude limit. So in India, we have the max altitude limit set to 15 meters. So by default, we get it as a 15 meters. We need to change it the max altitude meters to 500 meters. And even here, we can change our return to home altitude. So this is the main concern of all the users using DJI Mini 2. So in the further part of the video, we will be flying our drone more than 15 meters and checking out whether we will be able to fly our drone more than 15 meters or not. So guys, when we come to the settings, we have a small difference that is present in the iOS Litchi application and the Android application. So I was been using this Litchi application on the Android device from past a month. So I was feeling a lack of one thing, that was whenever I was capturing photos or videos, I was not able to view them immediately. And those photos or videos were not getting saved in my phone, even in terms of the cache memory. So guys, here we get a setting to enable this cache video or cache photos. So with this, we will be able to store the photos and videos immediately on our phone, and we also will be able to view these photos. So guys, this is the advantage that we get in the iOS Litchi application when compared to Android Litchi application. In Android, we won't find this feature of viewing or saving the cache photos and videos immediately on our phone. So apart from this, everything goes same as compared to DJI Fly app. So now we will be taking our drone outdoor and we'll be testing 15 meters limit, and we'll also be testing RTH. So then we'll be taking few photos and videos, and we'll be also checking whether those photos and videos are getting saved on our phone memory or not. So guys, before flying your drone, I would like to provide a tip. So you guys should go to the settings, and in the signal lost behavior, you need to select it to the return to home. So this will ensure that whenever your drone loses the connectivity with your RC, the drone will return to home. So guys, now we are all set to take off our drone, and let's test it out whether we will be able to exceed the 15 meters altitude. So guys, as you can see on the screen, we are able to exceed 15 meters of altitude. As the 15 meters altitude limit is set in India, we are able to pass 15 meters of altitude. So guys, just to add more information, currently we are running on the firmware 01.04 aircraft firmware. So with that also we are able to fly more than 15 meters. So guys, for all the Indian users, we got a surety that with this Litchi application on the iOS device, we are able to fly more than 15 meters. And guys, we also get the advantage or the feature, we'll be able to fly in no fly zone as well with the help of Litchi application. So guys, now let's quickly test our return to home. For that, we will be setting our go home altitude to 100 meters. So guys, another thing that I would like to add, when you're testing the RTH or when you're doing the RTH, you need to increase your distance more than 20 meters. Unless and until your distance is more than 20 meters, the RTH will not work either in DJI Fly app or not in Litchi application. So now just to check the cache video and cache photos are getting saved on phone or not, we are taking a few videos and photos over here. So guys, as you can see on the screen, our altitude is at 62 meters and our distance is 195 meters. So now we will test the RTH. We have clicked on RTH. So as we have set the go home altitude to 100 meters, our aircraft is increasing the altitude from 62 to 100 meters. And let's see whether it returns to the exact home point or is there any approximation around the home point. So guys, as you can see on the screen, the aircraft has returned exactly at the home point without any issue, and it has landed exactly at the place it has taken off. So with this, I hope you guys have got the confirmation that on iOS device Litchi application, we are able to fly more than 15 meters and even RTH is working fine, and we are able to save photos, videos on our phone immediately. So guys, now let's close this Litchi application and open the gallery and see the photos and videos that we saved. So guys, as you can see on the screen, the photos and videos have got saved on our phone. You can see the information of the video as well. So the video is around 15 MB. So this is a cache video. So it is in the format of H.264. So this is a low resolution video, and even photo is of low resolution, and this is around 100 KB photo. So guys, these photos and videos are just for judging purpose, whether you have to take another shot or what. So these photos cannot be used on the social media because these are the low resolution videos and photos.
So that's it for this video guys. In the next coming videos, we will be seeing the special features that are available on Litchi application using iOS device on DJI Mini 2. So those extra features are follow me more, tracking and etc. So stay tuned for that and subscribe to the channel. So hope you have liked this video and found this video informative. If you guys found this video informative, do hit a like button and subscribe to the channel. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.